The boardroom buzzes with excitement. A new product idea is on the table. Everyone seems energized, eager to chase the next big thing. This is a familiar scene in companies both large and small. The allure of the new is powerful. It's easy to get caught up in the idea of a revolutionary product, something that will disrupt the market and propel the company to new heights. However, experience tells a different story. Too often, the rush to launch new products stems from a place of fear rather than strategy. Companies feel the pressure to innovate, to stay ahead of the curve, to capture headlines. What starts as a strategic imperative can quickly devolve into a knee-jerk reaction to perceived market pressures. This is where the dangers lie. Without a clear understanding of the market need, the competitive landscape, and the true cost of development, new product launches can quickly turn into costly missteps. The decision to pursue new product development should never be taken lightly. It requires a rigorous and honest assessment of the opportunity, the risks, and the company's ability to execute. Before diving headfirst into the unknown, we must ask ourselves, is launching a new product truly the best strategy? Or are we letting the excitement of the new overshadow sound business judgment? The answer, more often than not, lies in a deeper understanding of the customer, the market, and the company's core strengths. The business landscape is littered with the remnants of failed product launches. Products that promise to revolutionize industries, only to be met with indifference by the market. Why do so many new products fail? One key reason is a fundamental misunderstanding of market need. Companies often fall into the trap of developing products that they think the market wants, rather than taking the time to truly understand what the customer needs and values. Before investing significant resources in new product development, it is crucial to conduct thorough market research. This involves not only identifying potential customers, but also understanding their pain points, their unmet needs, and their willingness to pay for a solution. What are the existing alternatives in the market, and how do they fall short? What are the barriers to adoption, and how can they be overcome? Equally important is a realistic assessment of the financial implications. Developing a new product is an expensive endeavor, requiring significant investment in research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and distribution. Companies often underestimate the time and resources required to bring a new product to market, leading to cost overruns and delays. Even if the product is successful, it can take years to recoup the initial investment. While the allure of the new is strong, it's essential to remember that launching a new product is not the only path to growth. In fact, there are often more efficient and less risky alternatives available. One such alternative is to acquire a proven product or technology from another company. This allows companies to quickly enter new markets or expand their product portfolio without the time, cost, and uncertainty associated with developing a product from scratch. Another option is to license an existing innovation from another company. This can be a cost-effective way to gain access to cutting-edge technology or intellectual property without the burden of ownership. Licensing allows companies to focus on their core competencies, such as marketing and distribution, while leveraging the expertise of others. The decision of whether to develop a new product, acquire an existing one, or pursue a licensing agreement should be based on a careful analysis of the company's strategic goals, resources, and risk tolerance. It's also important to consider the competitive landscape and the potential for future innovation in the market. Section 4. A framework for decision-making. When new products make sense. While alternative strategies can be effective, there are times when launching a new product is the right decision. However, this decision should never be made impulsively. A clear and robust framework for decision-making is essential. First and foremost, the company must have a deep understanding of its core competencies and how they align with the proposed new product. What are the company's unique strengths, and how can they be leveraged to create a product that is truly differentiated and valuable to the customer? Secondly, the company must have a clear and compelling value proposition for the new product. How will this product solve a real customer problem or fulfill an unmet need in a way that existing solutions do not? What are the key features and benefits that will resonate with the target market, and how will these be communicated effectively? A thorough analysis of the competitive landscape is also crucial. Who are the key players in the market? What are their strengths and weaknesses, and how will the new product be positioned against them? What are the barriers to entry, and how can they be overcome? Finally, the company must have a realistic understanding of the financial viability of the new product. What are the estimated development costs, manufacturing costs, and marketing costs? What is the projected demand for the product, and what is a reasonable timeline for achieving profitability? Section 5R and D. Balancing innovation with business acumen. The role of research and development, or R&D, is often seen as synonymous with new product development. However, this is a limited view. While R&D plays a critical role in driving innovation, it should not operate in a vacuum. To be truly effective, R&D must be closely aligned with the overall business strategy and driven by a deep understanding of customer needs and market dynamics. This requires a shift in mindset from pure experimentation to a more business-oriented approach. R&D teams should be encouraged to think like entrepreneurs, constantly evaluating the commercial viability of their ideas and seeking out opportunities to create value for the company. This does not mean stifling creativity or innovation. On the contrary, by fostering a culture of collaboration between R&D, marketing, sales, and other departments, companies can ensure that new product development is driven by a holistic understanding of the business and its customers.